Introducing the reliable rail clamp for safe hoisting by Hanzi. This crane rail clamp is ISO 9001 certified and comes with a 1-year after-sales service. Customization options are available for the 3116, 1336, 3120, 1538, 3124, 2042, 3220, 1738, 3222, 2044, 7116, 09, 39, 7120, 1540, 7216, 1039, 7224, 2045, 8119, 1540, 9116, 08, 37, 9120, 1538, 9216, 08, 40, 9220, 2045, 1615 38, 1615 40th specifications. The product is proudly bears the Hanzi trademark. Manufactured in China by Hanzi Industrial, Shanghai Co. Limited, a trusted producer of railway equipment exported to over 68 countries. Trust in Hanzi for quality rail clamps and other railway accessories.